Today we're discussing how to make turmeric tea to help reduce inflammation, especially for people who are diagnosed with scar and alopecia. Stay tuned. Turmeric has been proven to have multiple health benefits, such as inflammation, boost your immune system, joint pain, and the list goes on. The ingredients you're going to need for this tea, you're going to need the turmeric root, lemon, black pepper, honey. And to prep, you're going to need some rubber gloves and wax paper. There will be instruction below for making 1 cup, but this video we will be showing you how to make a 1-gallon batch. This is a very simple and super easy recipe. You need gloves and the wax paper because turmeric stains everything. So just make sure that you're protecting your countertops and your hands. So I have this small bag of turmeric root. You're going to peel the turmeric. You don't necessarily have to peel the turmeric. You could wash them. Sometimes I'll soak them in some vinegar and, without peeling them. But this bag was looking a little suspect. Some of it, I guess I had it for a while. If you notice there, some of them look like they're going a little bad. So for this batch, I'm peeling the turmeric. After you peel them, then put it in a blender with a little water, blend. Pour the mixture in a large pot. You're going to pour in a bottle of 1 gallon of water. 1 tablespoon black pepper, stir, let it boil for 45 minutes under medium heat. After 45 minutes, squeeze in 6 fresh lemon, sweeten with some honey. Strain. Then you're going to strain it again using a cheesecloth. I forgot to turn on the video showing you that I ran it through the cheesecloth. Hey guys, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Sabrina and I was diagnosed with scar and alopecia for over 3 years now. I share lifestyle tips for people who are diagnosed with alopecia, also known as ccca. Hit the subscription button if you're finding any value from this video, and plus it'll greatly appreciate it because it do help the channel. Pour in a large container for storage in your refrigerator. And voila, you have a delicious turmeric with lemon tea. You can drink this hot or cold. It has been helping me with inflammation on my scalp. Lots of people take turmeric shot to boost their immune system. This batch right here is going to last me for 7 days because I drink it per cup. I drink this in the morning. So this is a 7-day batch for me. Guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about this tea mixture. I call it my turmeric and lemon tea. It's very simple and it's absolutely delicious. Please give this video a thumbs up. I'll greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you in my next video.